how we see our role as I issued a directive today dealing with federal law officers, and it said that we're going to prosecute anybody, and I'm directed to my U.S. attorneys, that assaults a federal police officer, a border patrol officer, out here in the desert somewhere, by himself, maybe just a couple of people. This is a dangerous situation to be in. We need to send a message that if you attack one of our officers, you're going to get hammered. We're going to throw the book at you in that regard. And you know, America is the most generous nation on immigration. We admit 1.1 million people a year to permanent legal residence. But until you have permanent legal residence and or citizenship, you don't get to come to America and commit crimes. I mean, you're here on provision, on good behavior. We don't have any obligation to keep somebody in our country who came here on permission, on a visa, or illegally on top of that, and they get to commit crimes, and we have to apologize for deporting them from the country. This is ridiculous.
And efforts to update the Electronic Communications Privacy Act and forensics.
I think if a person is in our country who commits a crime while in our country, they ought to be deported, as the law says, when they serve their time in the local Bastille. And I can't imagine anybody, any sheriff or that would want to not do that, or any police chief that would not want to do that. But we definitely have cities that are telling their law enforcement officers not to report to the federal agencies who have the duty to deport people. They're not sharing that information. Is causing some problem. And you know, and it's the people, the good and decent people in the poor neighborhoods and that are